but this one's on completely. This one's mostly on. I think this needs to kick, this bottom needs to kick this way some. Oops, this way some. All right, welcome back. Tonight, we're gonna get the front two fenders hung. Hang that one right and hang the other one. That's about all I think I'm gonna get done tonight. I'm gonna leave the garage door open. Try to film from the front a little bit, but anyways, it's not really late just yet, but I think if I get those two on, then will be a good place to kind of bolt it all together, like structurally the bottom pan and maybe the rear top pan too, and get the, get the braces in and the grill. But tonight I just want to focus on getting the front two fenders secured how they're supposed to be. And I'm sorry if you hear coyotes and stuff, but sometimes they howl pretty good out there at night. And I'll show you what me and the oldest did. We started a little bonfire a while ago. That's another thing. That second barn, I worked all day yesterday cleaning out some of the old lumber and stuff, so I'm thinking maybe the fender to it might be in there. Don't know, but we'll get all that cleaned out anyway because it needs to come out. But let's go over there and we'll show you what he's doing tonight. Me and the oldest started that little bonfire. Bunch of old lumber and some thorn trees that came out of the fence line, but it was fun. Got a lot more stuff to clear up around here. All right, tonight, like I said, we're just gonna get this line better, how it's supposed to be, and then we'll pop this one on and get it on there. I think we got all the bolts in it. We'll call it good for tonight. I did buy a lot more bolts over there, so we should have enough to get this front end together. I'm gonna sit you back on my pickup and get to work. Yeah, we got that one on good. This one getting frustrated, so it's best I just leave it for tonight. I think I need to take this pan off and push this in this way because I'm having trouble getting it right through there. But this one's on completely. This one's mostly on. I think this needs to kick, this bottom needs to kick this way some. Oops, this way some. So we'll take these off. Then once we get the fenders on, we'll put this pan back in. But you can see we got them going. I need to tighten it back there. This one's looking pretty good. But I think I'm gonna call it a night. Thank you for watching. We got the front kind of halfway on. Need to do adjustment on the passenger side, getting it right, but just getting, like I said, frustrated with it, so don't want to do something and be counterproductive. So it's gonna call it an evening, but it's starting to shape up pretty nice. I think if we get that other fender on, we'll put the pan back in underneath, and then we'll have to put the fender braces back in it and put the grill in it, and then that top pan over the grill, and then the front should be done other than the turn signal indicators, which we got those in here. But I'm missing my headlamp bezels. Not actually the chrome part, but the bucket that the light sits in. And I see you. He's about to jump on me. But get that done, then we'll put the bench seat back in it. Then we'll put the door back on. Then all we really like is a hood and the fenders for the rear. Need to find another one, and then that back piece there, and it'll be done. So hopefully over the next few videos we can get this wrapped up, clean up, and push the Bronco back and get messing with it. But anyways, if you're new channel, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It's usually on the Bronco back there, but we need to get this done and out. Maybe sell it or put it back in the barn, but it'll be together, which is good. It looks better that way. But anyways, yeah, not much, but just attaching fenders. Anyways, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.